Good afternoon, friends and dear students. Welcome back to my channel. The important question related to the lesson we had read yesterday. Today, we shall discuss those important questions. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Now, first question is, what dangers did the Tiger King face during his टाइगर हंटिंग? यानी कहने का अर्थ है कि चीतों के शिकार के दौरान बाघ राजा को किन किन खतरों का सामना करना पड़ा. नाउ क्वेश्चन रिपीट. व्हाट डेंजर्स डिड द टाइगर किंग फेस ड्यूरिंग हिज टाइगर हंटिंग? अर्थात चीतों के शिकार के दौरान बाघ राजा को किन किन खतरों का सामना करना पड़ा. प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, इस प्रश्न को हम इस प्रकार से भी पूछ सकते हैं. गिव एन इंस्टेंस टू प्रूव द महाराजा's bravery. Answer is, the Maharaja faced great danger in hunting tigers. When the Maharaja bullet missed its mark during a tiger hunt, he would fight the beast without weapon. Whenever he had such fight, he always won. Now, question number 2. What brought the Maharaja's mission to a stand still? Now, question number 2 is repeat. What brought the Maharaja's mission to a stand still? अर्थात महाराजा का अभियान किस कारण बीच में रुक गया? आंसर इज, द महाराजा हैड vowed to hunt 100 tigers to save himself from being killed by a tiger. When he had killed 70 tigers, the tiger population became extinct. In his state, he found no tigers to kill. This brought his mission to stand a still. Now, question number 3. Why did the British officer want to kill a tiger, and could he kill the tiger? Now question repeat. Why did the British officer want to kill a tiger, and could he kill the tiger? अर्थात अंग्रेज अधिकारी चीते को क्यों मारना चाहता था और क्या वह चीते को मार सका? Answer is, the British officer was fond of hunting tigers, but in fact he was more interested in having a photograph with the dead tiger. He could not kill the tiger because the tiger refused permission. Now question number 4. What did the Maharaja do to get more tigers to hunt? Now question number 4 repeat. What did the Maharaja do to get more tigers to hunt? Answer is, to get more tigers to hunt, the tiger married a princess from a state which had a large population of tigers. Whenever the king visited this state, he killed 4 or 5 tigers. Thus, he got more tigers to hunt. Now, question number 5. What step did the king take to complete his mission? Now, question number 5. What steps did the king undertake to complete his missions। यानी कहने का अर्थ है कि राजा ने अपने मिशन को अर्थात अपने अभियान को पूरा करने के लिए क्या क्या कदम उठाए। आंसर इज टू कंप्लीट द किंग मिशन द स्टेट बैनेड टाइगर हंटिंग बाय एनीवन एक्सेप्ट द महाराजा। इफ anyone dared to fling so much as a stone at a tiger, all his wealth and property would be confiscated. The king vowed to attend all the other matters only after killing the 100 tigers. Thank you. My name is Anurag Sharma. Dear students, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and listen this video carefully. And if any query, please write in comment box. Thank you.